Hello and welcome back. Forrest Knight over at MediaDude Marketing, also known as the MediaDude. This is the ILN Blog Works series. The training in the upcoming videos is going to be everything ILN Blog. We're going to walk you through every setting that you could possibly need. We're going to show you how to set up blog posts, how you set up your sidebar widgets, how to set up your opt-in widgets, how to add a video, how to do this. We're going to do it both on your basic blog and your custom blog. For those of you that don't have a custom blog, that'll sort of be a little bit later in this series. We'll get into that as well. But this will be for all of your standard apprentice level blog holders. It's going to be some really cool training for you. So if you're brand new, have never used a blog before, it's absolutely very, very cool, very, very easy to do. A couple of quick notes, and just think about this. If you're proficient, or you shouldn't even say proficient, but if you have a talent in something, you're really good about it. All a blog is simply taking what you have up here and taking what you have in your heart and putting it on paper. So if you know how to make candles, you're a really good candle maker, you might want to do a blog on it. You can throw videos in there, you can just write about how to do it or what you experienced. Or maybe you're a mom and a parent, you could be a mommy blogger and write about your experiences during the day, about buying diapers and what kind of food to eat and what kind of toys you did and the adventures that you had with your kids at the zoo, and anything that happens in your life you can put on a blog. If you're a techie blogger, of course, you can blog about things all techie. Maybe you're into phones and communications, you could talk about that. Maybe you're a car person, you could talk about car repair or buying cars or motorcycles or boats or houses or whatever. If you're a real estate agent, you could write blogs about buying and selling houses or just about houses in general. If you're a mortgage guy, you could talk about lending and practice and financial. So it's pretty much unlimited what you can put in a blog. It's just taking your personal experiences and putting them on paper, basically, is all you're doing. It's just like your daily diary. What's going on in my life today, or what's going on with this, or maybe you just have some information that you'd like to share into a community or with a group of people. So that's all blogging is. It's not any more complicated than that. You don't have to be an experienced writer. Just write how you feel, write how you talk. Don't try to sound like somebody else or be like somebody else. I'm sort of a techie guy, so that's what I do. I'm pretty good at showing people how to do stuff. So that's what we're going to do in this blog. We're going to walk you through and show you how to set up first sort of your DNS service. So most of you in the ILN, and of course this is called the ILN Blog Works series. You can actually look this series up. It's going to be on YouTube and actually in an ILN blog. You can simply go to ILN Blog Works. You can it's ILN BLOGWRX or WRKS.com. Either way will get you here. But we're going to show you how to set up your DNS and redirect your URL. So first of all, you need to go in and you're going to create yourself a blog. We're not going to get into all the details, but you're going to log into your member site. You're going to come here. You're going to click on the link down here that says blog. You're going to go and create a blog. And once you've done this, you're going to come down to settings down here on the left-hand side of the screen. You're going to click on domain mapping, and the domain mapping is going to bring you to a page that looks like this. And you'll notice there's quite a few things up here. You can read through this stuff here. On the next step, it's going to bring you in here. It says, how do you set up a custom domain? You're going to log into your domain registry account. This is where you've purchased your domain name. You're going to go into your DNS settings and update your name servers. Change your name servers to these right here. You'll see these. I'm going to show you how to do that. And then you're going to send an email to DNS@internetlifestylenetwork.com. And if for some reason you can't get through that, just let me know, and we'll make sure that they get those DNS records updated. Until that's updated, once those are updated, when you put in your new domain name, and example this one, ILN Blog Works, it will come directly to your ILN blog, which is pretty cool. Now I love to use Yellow Pages Social as my domain hosting account. That's where I have my domains hosted. That's where I buy my domains. I like them. Anyway, jumping over here into my domain details, you can see I have ILNblogworks.com set up. I'm going to show you how to change the name servers. You'll see the name servers right here in this area. You can manage name servers, and if you're using GoDaddy or somebody else like that, this is probably pretty similar to doing that. It says standard, hosting, and custom. I'm going to click on custom, and it says enter the domain name servers that you want to do. I'm going to jump back over here to the instructions that we have on setting up these domain servers, and the first one that I'm going to change is the name server number one. Is just ns.rackspace.com, and always come back and check this in case Clifton or the ILN crew changes this stuff here. You might have to come in and do some updates, and they'll usually do some posts and let you know. So name server number one, I just paste in there. Then I'm going to come back and I'm going to copy number two. I'm going to come back into this. And again, if you're having any kind of challenge with this for some reason, the name servers aren't updating, just shoot over support ticket and let support know at ILN that that's not working, or you can contact me directly. Just shoot me a post on Facebook and just let me know, or a private message on Facebook and let me know this is not working, and we'll get it all handled for you. So here we go. Add name servers. You click OK. Everything is good. You hit save. Now this isn't going to happen immediately. Sometimes it can take up to 24 hours. So my next step that I'm going to do to update these name servers, it says email. Send an email to this and let them know what your domain is. So I'm going to send an email right here to this address, this email address, and let them know what the domain, let them know what the new email address is. And as soon as I get a reply back, I would then come and type in right here ILN blogworks.com, and this is probably going to give me an error message. Yep, domain is unavailable to access. We can't access this because I have to send that email over to the support guys to have them set up my DNS record. So I'm going to grab this, I'm going to shoot over an email, and that'll come back, and that will all work. This is Forrest Knight, also known as the Media Dude, over at MediaDude Marketing with this ILN Blog Works series. You guys are absolutely going to enjoy this. So this is how you set up your DNS, and this is how ILN blogs work. See you on the next video.